Welcome back to Machine Era, where industrial beasts tackle the toughest jobs on Earth. From ripping out massive roots to slicing logs and shredding monster trunks, these machines showcase brute power and razor-sharp precision. Before we dive in, hit that like button to power up the channel and keep the gears turning.
It wasn't just a dead tree. It was a giant, tough, stubborn, unyielding. It took nearly 10 men sweating and grinding to finally bring it down. Some trees don't fall easy. He may be small and the tree towering, but don't let appearances fool you. He wields the saw like a sword, and with just a few cuts, the giant falls. Work isn't just a man's world. A woman brings her own strength, in precision, in grace, in intuition. She doesn't force the wood. She listens to it. And with every cut, she shapes beauty from raw power. Look at him, like a pro football player in his zone. He leans in against a tree 5 times his size, and yet, he doesn't back down. With grit and power, he takes it down. One play, one man, one victory. It's not just a skidder, it's the ultimate all-terrain warrior. Tiger Cat 615 C6x6 handles everything. Push, pull, climb, conquer. In the heart of the forest, this machine doesn't follow the trail, it makes its own. These two are the best of the best, no doubt. But when it comes to real work, no one's backing off. They're going all in. So tell us, who's got the upper hand? Tree or stump? Comment below. Chapter as snow falls heavy and roads vanish beneath the white. Not every vehicle can push through, but there are companions, strong, loyal, and tireless. The horses. Rain or shine, they ride with us. This is more than work. It's friendship. A stubborn stump? Not anymore. When the SC-1052 grinder rolls in, even the toughest roots crumble into dust. Wood turns to sawdust. Obstacles turn to nothing. Mud, slopes, obstacles. The Ural 4320 doesn't flinch. With unshakable will and roaring power, it brings the firewood home, no matter what stands in the way. I've seen machines come and go, but the WC2300XL stands tall, fuel-efficient, battle-proven, built to grind hard and built to last. If you're in the game for the long run, this is the one. Strength in the hands, speed in the legs. When the tree falls, they move like lightning. These men don't just cut wood, they dance with danger. Dangling high above the ground, one man faces a giant tree. With nothing but a saw, a harness, and pure courage. No fear, no hesitation. This isn't just a job, it's mastery at its peak. Snow? Not enough to stop this beast. The Tatra Phoenix charges forward, its V-plow slicing snow like a blade through silk. Bringing timber home, no matter the storm. 2 words, absolutely fearless. 3 trees make a mountain, but in this case, 3 men make a mess. 1 chainsaw, 3 bosses, 0 plans, and a guaranteed disaster waiting to happen. The DAH-150 shows no mercy. Once its blade drops, there's no turning back. Trees, trunks, stumps, it grinds them all into sawdust. No resistance, no survivors. No machines, no shortcuts, just steady hands, sharp blades, and a lifetime of skill. These craftsmen don't just cut wood, they carve beauty into every grain. Respect where it's truly due. Front wheels lift. The U-2100 roars in defiance, its frame trembling under the weight of massive timber. It's not giving up. It's fighting back. It's not just people who unite. Today, 2 machines lock together, one pulling, one pushing, both refusing to quit. Together, they conquer the climb. Even steel knows how to stand by a friend.
Your thoughts in the comments below if you have any suggestions on how we can improve our content. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Machine Era channel so you won't miss the next video.